morning, everyone. How are you all doing? I hope you're all out there staying safe and having a great day. Now, millions of people are now turning to hot lemon water in the mornings, but most people are not sure exactly how to make this lemon water. Now, lemon water, guys, is amazing, and I've been sharing lemon drinks, lemon water on my channel for a couple of years well, but of late I found that a lot of people have been tuning in and have been wanting to know exactly how to make this hot lemon water. So right now I am going to be making my hot lemon water, and I'm going to show you the process and also how to make it for it to be most effective. So if you're struggling, if you're not sure how to make the hot lemon water, follow me to the kitchen and I'll show you how to whip this up in no time.
Now, before we begin, guys, I like to wash my lemons, and I like to wash my lemons thoroughly, okay? So what I'm going to do to begin, I'm going to show you how to wash your lemons, especially if your lemons are not organic and you want to make sure they are free from all the pesticides and all the dirt and everything that comes with fresh vegetables or fresh produce. So take a look at how I wash my lemons before we make our tea.
I normally like to use a big bowl like this one. And then I'm going to fill it up with preferably warm water. Now once this is done, and you're going to use the amount of water according to the amount of lemon that you have. And then I'm just going to use regular white vinegar like this one. And as you can see, it's pretty cheap. And to a gallon of water, I like to pour about a quarter cup of vinegar. And I'm just going to pour this in. And then what I do next, I just place my lemon in the water and remove the tags, okay? Now once I place my lemons in the water, I like to just give them a little wash like I'm showing here. And then I'm going to leave them there. Sometimes I leave them there 2-3 hours. It doesn't matter, but at least an hour or so I leave them in the water. And then I go back and I rinse them again a second time. And then I put them away so that whenever I'm ready to use them, they're nice and clean. Now guys, these are organic lemons, but it doesn't matter what kind of lemons that I purchase. I like to wash them just the same. And you can do the same thing with oranges and grapefruit. You can even use the vinegar water to wash your broccoli and cauliflower. Alright, so now that our lemons are nice and clean, let me show you how to make this tea.
If you have already subscribed to the channel and you feel like you want to be more active on this channel, to be more a part of the channel, then you can become a member. Look below, there's a join button. Click on it and choose your tier. Now to make the lemon water, hot lemon water that is, I'm going to be using a large lemon today. However, you need a medium lemon to make a cup of hot lemon water. One medium lemon could make about 2 to 3 cups of hot lemon water. And here are some other things that you're going to need. You're going to need a cup. You're also going to need a knife, probably some measuring spoons, and some hot water. Now guys, the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to wash the lemon as I showed you earlier. And now I am going to slice them thinly. And while we're slicing, let us take a look at some of the benefits. Warm lemon water serves as the perfect good morning drink, as it aids in the digestive system and makes the process of eliminating the waste products from the body much easier. It prevents the problem of constipation and diarrhea by ensuring smooth bowel function. And also, guys, when you move on in age, having a smooth bowel function is very vital. Now what I'm going to do next, after slicing the lemon, I'm going to squeeze about 1 tablespoon of the lemon. Having warm lemon juice early in the morning helps flushes out toxin. It aids digestion and encourages the production of bile. It is also a great source of citric acid, potassium, calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium. It helps prevent the growth of multiplication of pathogenic bacteria that causes infection and diseases. So you see how vital this lemon juice is, especially guys in days like these when we are all looking to prevent and keep ourselves safe and healthy. There's something else, guys. It helps to reduce pain and inflammation in joints and knees as it dissolves uric acid. Okay, so let's move on. So now let's just pour our 1 tablespoon of lemon juice in our cup. Make sure to discard the seeds. And to this, we're going to add a cup or 8 ounces of hot water, boiling hot water. And we're going to pour this on. Now guys, if you are making more, just double up on the lemon juice. But to every 8 ounces, add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. My cup is a 12-ounce cup, so I'm going to add a little extra to make sure I get a full cup. Next, I'm going to drop a slice of the lemon in the cup. Now guys, here comes the most important part. When you do this, you really need to brew this lemon tea. So just as how you make your regular tea, you are going to cover this and you're going to set it aside for about 3 to 5 minutes to let the lemon brew. Once this is done, then your lemon water, hot lemon water, is ready to use. And there you have it. Simple, quick, easy way to make your hot lemon water. Now you can choose to drink hot lemon water upon arising in the morning, every morning. It's all good for the system, as I mentioned in the video. It's very refreshing. It's very tasty. You do not need any form of a sugar in it. It's just very pleasant. And guys, what I also do, I make my water bottle. I just fill this up and I just put this in the refrigerator for it to chill. And that's what I'm going to drink as my water throughout the day. So you can actually do the same. Make enough of the hot water in the morning. Drink the portion you need. And then the remainder you put in your water bottle. And that is it. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share the video. Leave your comments. Those are always welcome. And if this was the first time you want to see more of these videos, look below. You're going to see the word subscribe. Just click on it and you will be subscribed. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. If you have already subscribed to the channel and you feel like you want to be more active on this channel, to be more a part of the channel, then you can become a member. Look below, there's a join button. Click on it and choose your tier. You can also follow me on my other social media page. I'm on Facebook as Chichi Beauty. I also have a Facebook group, Chichi Beauty Group. I'm also on Instagram _Chichi. I'm on Twitter at Chichi Beauty, and I'm at Snapchat at Chichix. Now when it comes on to my Instagram, I'm just now growing my Instagram page, so kindly follow me on Instagram. Just go over there and show some love. And guys, also my Snapchat, you can see other things that goes on behind the scenes, my daily life and so on and so forth on my Snapchat. So follow me and support Chichi Beauty.